In this video, we will show you how to fix a problem cannot run Windows Sandbox inside Hyper-V. This is my Hyper-V machine on Windows 11. As you can see, I run this Hyper-V. Okay, now when we're trying to enable the Windows Sandbox features on the control panel, okay, let me show you. When we try to turn on the features of Windows Sandbox, okay, you can see here the Windows Sandbox cannot be installed. The processor, okay, does not have required virtualization capabilities. If you are using the physical machine, maybe it's very easy to enable the virtualization on the BIOS. And the question is how we can enable the virtualization on the Hyper-V. Okay, first you need in here to turn off your Hyper-V machine. Okay, this is my Hyper-V machine. I will turn off, okay, waiting the shutdown process. And as you can see, now my Hyper-V is turned off here. We can go to the Hyper-V. Okay, in here you need to copy your virtual machine name on Hyper-V. Okay, I will click rename and we can easily copy this. After that, you need to run the script on the PowerShell you have on your host. Okay, you can see you can change the VM name with your own. This is my Hyper-V machine name. Okay, you need to close your Hyper-V here, and then you need to copy the script. I will put the script into the description of this video. Then in here you need to open the PowerShell. Then you can run as administrator. Okay, after that you can right click on your mouse. Now you can hit the enter. Waiting the process. After that, in here, trying to rerun your Hyper-V machine again. In my case, my Hyper-V is this. We can click connect and we can click start. This method commonly called with nested Hyper-V or virtual machine, because we use virtual machine inside virtual machines. So we have one host and two virtual machine. Okay, after our Windows on the Hyper-V is turned on like this, let's try to reopen our control panel and select programs again. We can also directly click this. Okay, now scroll down and voila, you can enable Windows Sandbox now. And we can click OK. Let's try to run the Windows Sandbox after the process is done here. Applying the change. Okay. Just wait until this process is done and we can click restart now. And the Hyper-V will update our virtual machine. You can see here. And how you can enable Hyper-V on your physical device if you want to using the Sandbox in case inside on your host directly. Just open your BIOS and you can enable the Hyper-V like this on the BIOS, and you can see or you can find how you can turn on your Hyper-V or virtualization on your BIOS based on your laptop or computer models. Okay, maybe I will skip this waiting process. Now 100% for the customizing feature. Okay, please wait until the Windows load the Hyper-V here. Now after the Hyper-V is load perfectly like this, in here let's see our Windows Sandbox is installed perfectly on the Hyper-V, and this is our Windows Sandbox is in here. So we are successfully to enable virtualization inside Hyper-V, you can see here. And that's all tutorial. We cannot install the Windows Sandbox inside Hyper-V. Hope this video helpful for you.